Hey everyone, welcome back in for another video. Simple How-Tos by J&A here, and today we're going to be going over how to change your air filter vent. So if you haven't changed your air filter vent in a couple months, specifically 3 months or more, you probably need to do it soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my little tabs here, and I've got my air vent here, and mine says 20 by 20 on there, so that means I know which one I need. I've already got it out here. And you want to look at what way the arrows go. So you want to put it with the arrow going towards in the vent. That's where your vent is taking in the air. And then push it all the way in. And then you can either write on it 90 days and then today's date. So then you remember in 90 days whenever you check it. Or you can just kind of remember what month it is. If you do it maybe every quarter. So if you do it, at the beginning of January, beginning of April, and so on and so forth. So whatever you do will work, but this could be anywhere in your house. It could be on your ceiling. Mine's in my hallway wall. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.